Hello, and my name is William Burrell. I'm doing a PowerPoint on Unit 7, Nutrition and the Digestive System. The structure and function of the digestive system. So, the function of the digestive system is to digest and absorb of food so that your food can be eaten in pieces, and this will help it absorb into your body. Firstly, it will go into your mouth. We're chewing food and it is mechanically broken down. Also, our teeth are like canine teeth, which can rip through foods. Then your tongue mixes the food with the saliva during the chewing, and after that, it is rolled into our bowels, and it will then pass through the esophagus, and you will start to swallow it. Then it goes into your stomach where we churn our food, and it will be mixed with gastric juices, and it does this so we can digest better. Also, the stomach glands, which contain water, hydrochloric acid, mineral salt, enzymes, and instant factors. And all this is necessary for us to absorb vitamin B. A normal meal can take 2 to 4 hours before it is digested. Then it will pass through the small intestine. Then it moves on till the small intestine, and this is where there's much of the digestive system and absorption, and it is split into three: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. And then it is mixed with pancreatic intestinal juices. Then it goes to the large intestine, and this is where it has solved vitamins and it converts food into feces, and it will remove the water contents. So we're nearly at the end of the digestive system, which is a vector, and here is where we temporarily store our feces. Lastly, we move on to the anal canal, and this is the last part of the digestive system where poo leaves your bum. And this is a diagram of the digestive system. Factors that will affect the digestive system. So as you can see in the picture at the side of the factors that will affect the digestive system, and that is eating a low-fat fibre diet, not getting enough exercise, travelling and changing your routines, eating large amounts of tab products, stress, unable to release your bowels, medication, and many more. Explain the constitution of food groups of a balanced diet. And so this is group 1. This is more about beef, pork, lamb, chicken, turkey, nuts. Group 2 is bread and cereals and potatoes. Then we go on to group 3, which is as fruit and as veg. Group 4, which is as dairy and alternatives. Group 5 is oils and spreads. And factors are what we need for an healthy, balanced diet. And all oils and spreads are healthier than saturated fats. Enzymes and chemical and mechanical digestion. Mechanical digestion is where you chomp food, so it breaks down into small pieces which are more easily to digest pieces. Chemical digestion is where the enzymes in your saliva which moisturize the food you are swallowing. Lactose is the lining of the stomach intestine, and this enzyme breaks down lactose and produces glucose and galactose. Pepsin is the gastric gland, and this produces large amounts of protein. Optimum conditions of enzyme. Enzymes do work well onto the optical condition, so that heat, disease, and chemicals on these can affect the enzyme's function. So if your body warms up, your enzymes will break away. But if your enzymes are cold, the enzyme, the system will slow down. Also, as well as optimum pH in the stomach, and this is produced by crunch. All the hydraulic acid and the durum produced by the secrum of the soda hydrocarbonate. Explain type requirements of key life stages. So we've got babies 0 to 12, toddlers 1 to 3, preschool, children, teenagers, adults, and older adults. Analyse the consequences of not having a balanced diet. If you don't have an alpha diet, you are more likely at risk of having high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, coronary heart disease, and getting cancer. Also, you can end up having high cholesterol and having mineral deficiencies. Here's the minerals at the side: calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. Symptoms to look out for. These are some symptoms that you need to look out for if you think you have vitamin deficiency: eyes, hair, mouth, nails, skin, teeth, gums, emotional, mental, muscle, and joint. Thank you for watching.